Nagkakilala kami ni Chihao. Actually, ang English name niya is Daniel. So, nagkakilala kami ni Daniel sa TCE company. Doon kami nagkasama. Yung una, siya kasi yung nagturo sa akin sa isang machine doon. Tapos, may time din na nasungitan niya ako kasi nga palagi akong nagtatanong paano yung gagawin. So, may time na sinungitan niya ako at nasungitan din ako sa kanya. Pero nung tumagal, naging magkaibigan kami.
喜欢他外向，对，就很活泼，然后跟我的兴趣都一样，喜欢在山上游玩。
Sana biyayaan tayo ni Lord ng munting anghel kasi alam ko gusto na natin din parehas na magkaroon ng baby, pero nawa ipagkaloob ni Lord. Pero sabi mo nga, magtiwala lang tayo kay Lord, kay God. Kung ibibigay, ibibigay. Kung hindi, si Lord na yung bahala. Basta magkasama tayo habang buhay.
No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow.
希望再过20-30年，还能在一起再看这段视频，应该会觉得这段回忆很不错。
My love is all for you.
Ito na yung hinihintay natin. Excited ako sa kalalabasan ng kasal natin. Na-excite ako talaga. Sobrang, ito yung pinapangarap natin parehas na magkasal na tayo. Alam kong matagal mo na akong inaayang pakasalan, pero yun nga, ito na talaga yun. I'm excited mamaya. See you! I love you, baby!
It feels like we've lost our way. We may bend, but darling,
希望我们可以一直到老。我爱你。
I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow.
God gave a gift to a man, and that is a woman. Doon po sa aking binasa, sabi po rito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at pipisan siya sa kanyang asawang babae. And they will become one flesh. Magiging isa.
Even as we wait for time to heal the broken parts, our light will find a way where hope is dim and skies are blurry. Take my hand and we will feel the wind upon our shoulders. Together we are stronger. Oh, together we are stronger. No, I'll never stop chasing your heart.
Thank you so much for
It's yours to hold.
Tagalog. Thank you so much for accepting me and loving me. as I am. And I will love you for the rest of my life. I promise that.
I'll be here when the sun sets, and I'll be here till our final breath. My love is all for you. It's all for you.